we got our fill of jelly.
So Punk came out here, and the immediate thing Jason on social media was last night, and this really kind of, it just irked me to see this. Well, the podcast, yeah, everybody got to work, they're all needing work.
A few minutes later.
Great and interesting summer of WWE television. Do I see The Rock coming back and being involved in a fucking hell. Oh, good one, dumbass. Nice fucking shit. Bloody hell. Come on, today, Junior.
Oh, fuck you! Jesus Christ. What's this idiot doing? That's the same fucking dickhead. My God. And then you gotta brake check him! That's the part of the same clip. Nice. 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 Choose your lane, maybe? Thoughts to be a...
Are you waiting for an engraved invitation?
Oh, funny looking bus, this one. Bus is accepted, no right turn. Dickhead.
Wings are like, well, they do that when they're scared, so they know if they have to fly away or not. No, it was literally like trying to fight the car. Oh, not nice. That's funny. Good job, Jeep. You're in a wreck. Yeah, you're right. 100% is. That's cool. Whoa! Alright! What the fuck are you doing? Hello?
Hello? Anybody home? Hey, think McFly, think.
Come on, dickhead. Move. What the fuck are you doing? Learn to drive, fuckwit. Wait.
Oh my god. That's so bad.
Sing along to your favourite tunes and nail every word with live lyrics.
You're a fuckwit.
Yeah, definitely. Tap the mic next to the play button and send a voice note to your favourite station. Meet presets, making iHeart as easy as a car dashboard. Simply open the app and type your favourite station, podcast, and playlist to add quick access. Download or open the iHeart app today. Sounds better on iHeart.
Oh boy, is this great! We're doing 50. What the fuck? Is it this clown? Is there anyone in front of him? What are you doing? He's got a kid in the back. Watch it, Ness. No, there's a car in front of him.
Yeah, there's two cars that are playing dilly-dally.
Fucking dickheads.
Oh, fuck this shit. I'm sorry, I hate this shit, but I can't stand it no longer. This one, he just went in the turning lane.
Fucking red pig glider. And he was dawdling like a fucking dawdler.
Yeah, and now he's gonna put the foot down.
No, just fucking take him off. Fucking
Red
idiot.
light. Wow.
No, you go, dash cam.
Got me dash cam.
And what's he slowing down now? Hang on, you have to retrieve that. What's he stopping for?
He's pooped his pants. That's what's happened.
I think he just shit himself.
I think he just shit himself.
Dickhead. Absolute dickhead.
That's what's happened, isn't it?
Yeah, I think he's absolutely shit his pants.
Good Lord, this guy shit himself big time.
Oh, nice job, dickhead.
Where are you going, you fucktard? Oh.
Fucking idiots.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Fuck, Rick.
Not the silver, not the silver bit, the left.
Oh, okay, the boot. Smaller.
Yeah.
Come on.
Niggas!
get that one for Scott.
Lock the video.